the passion into the job. Of course, it reflects on you saying you are trying to be passionate on what you are doing. So you are not just thinking for your one, but you really love your passion. But it's not wrong, and it's not wrong sa mga practical na. Because in fact, you're teach to live. So, di ba, it's something na nagdudod na para mag-buhay, di ba, for the sake of money. Pero, sa engineering labor, kanibago lang yun for the survival. However, in the digital age is, of course, nakilako lang relying on money, that's one of the factors, that's one of the reason na nagdudod na. However, they take into passion na idea. And this is the main reason nga na makabalot ang mabisag busy kayo ang mga teacher, nayapon sila yung time, ay nada return hapon sila sa klase. It's because they have their passion to teach us, like principle regarding sa personal philosophy. So, inana siya ang concept about teaching. So, one way